It's like close encounters of the third kind, yeah. Guys, let me find out. No, I'm magic still. I'm just being silly. I just like to talk to people because nobody really ever talks to me. And it was not much different there, really, was it? But listen, so we know some magic words. Somebody shouted abracadabra, and that's a cool magic word. I'm going to need some more magic words as well. So what I thought it would be a good idea if I get my magic words book. Ah, there it is. I got my book of magic smells. What? No, it is. No, it is. Magic smells. But it's not my book. It's my mummy's book. So don't tell her if you ever see her, right? You'll notice her straight away because she's got like a green face and a pointed hat. And she flies around. She's quite modern. She flies around on a dice. But she doesn't like me borrowing this book, okay? So does anybody know any more magic words from abracadabra? Have we got another one? That's not really a cool magic word. I can't imagine us doing a trick. It's still there. It's not disappeared. Any more? I'll tell you what. Let's find abracadabra. Hang on a second. Oh, I've got abracadabra in Mummy's book. It's a cool one. But everybody says that, so I'm going to get like a magic word, right? That what? No, that's not my mum. I know she's got a green face. I can't go insulting everybody. Right, I've got this like magic. No, that's not my mum either. My mum hasn't got a cool bag like that. What now? In the book? This book? My mummy's in the book. She's not there. Right. Look at the what? That's not my mummy. It's her book. Guys. Giggly googly. Wait. Right, I'll teach you magic Stu's magic words. They're called giggly googly. Now, the louder you say it, the better it happens, okay? Let me see if I got something. That's better. I need you to say very loud, okay? So after three, because I'm actually doing a bad voice today, but really loud, giggly googling. Let's see how loud your voice is going to be. So after three, you know what? They always tell me off for being loud, really. So let's be loud again. So after three, we're going to go giggly googly. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Hey, yesterday they were so loud. They broke a new record. This is Magic Stu's giggly googly tester machine. Can you see like the numbers and things? I got like number 7, number 9, number 106. That's not right, is it? Can you all count? Oh, go on then, ready, go! Hey, that was good, but I bet you can't count in Welsh. Really? And then go! Give yourselves a big super clap, that was pretty cool. Magic Stu got a Welsh lesson then. Right, I'm going to switch this on, and this is how it works, okay? I'm going to switch this on. Let me put that button there as well. And then after 3, I'm going to ask you to shout giggly googly. So I'm going to show you what's this. Giggly googly! That's not really loud. Now, yesterday they shouted giggly googly so loud they got to number 9. They got it into the red, which we're not allowed to do. Come and join us, guys. If you want to sit in the front as well, you can have a sit down here as well. No, it's alright, I'm not standing with that. I'm just shouting. So, after 3, I'm going to shout giggly googly. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Whoa! Did you see what number it went to? 7, that's quite good for a start. Should we try again? Be louder. What number do you want this time? 10? Nobody gets to 10. Should we try? Should we try? 1, 2, 3! That was loud! It's a bit too loud. Oh dear. It's not playing either. Hey, give yourselves a big super clap for being loud. Are you alright? Okay, you've got your pacemaker. It's fine. Guys, I'm so excited. No, that's really good because every time I need you to help me, I'm going to ask you to shout giggly googly, okay? Because they're like magic cubes. Magic words! So, let's start the show. Hey, I did some shopping as well because Magic Stew's been here for a couple of days and I'm not from around here. I'm from a town called Pontypridd! Over top jokes. I think that was it. But that's not unusual. Grown-ups joke, okay? So I did some shopping this morning. And I bought myself a picture. Do you want to see it? Because you've all got colouring in stuff. So I thought, I'm going to do the same. And I got that. Do you like that? As soon as I saw it, I thought it looked like me. 22 years old, handsome, looks like Harry Styles. Amazing physique. Got to be me. But there was something missing. Does anybody know what's missing? You're right, the colours are missing. But do you guys all like colouring in stuff and painting and stuff? Really? Because what I've got as well, I've got some magic paints. Got some magic paints. And if you take the lid off these and you put the brush in, somebody shouts a colour and that colour comes out. Like magic. Should we try it? No, I'm going to take the lid off. They're a bit smelly, okay? So some people might just start going, some people might even go, and the other ones will splot. Let me just take this lid off. Hang on a second. Oh, they're not too bad. Spider, where? William, I don't like spiders. Is he following me? Where? Where now? He's fine. He's fine. Right, here we go. Brush is in the pot. Let's have a colour. Are you purple, green, blue? Let me try one of them. Hang on a second. Let's see if I can get. La la la. We want blue, green, or purple this time. Oh, I think that's blue. Guys, we got the blue. Now, I've got to put them into the mixing bag, okay? And then once I got lots of colours, I mix them up, and then they disappear, and they go in to the picture. There's nothing in there yet, so... Ah! Get away! I know. I thought he was a puppet with no clothes on then. Right. Got me bag. Got me colours. Let's have another colour. Are you ready? I'm going to put the colour. Ready? Go! Oh, yellow. I got lots of purples. I also said yellow as well. Yellow's a bright colour. I might try the yellow. Let's try it. I'm going to go. La la la. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Do my own choreography. Here we go! Oh, I got your yellow! I got your yellow! Let's try it. Oh, yeah, right. This is a smelly one, this one. Yep. That was a stinking one. Hands up who wants to say a colour. Hands up who wants to say a colour. Oh, that's lots of you. Right, I tell you what to do. This will speed it up, okay? All you need to do is whisper that colour in your hand. So if you want like purple, if you want like green, if you want like red, or just go. And hold it tight, okay? Hold it tight. If you want red, just go. Red! And then you hold it tight. So, after 3, let's do that. 1, 2, 3, and do that. Whisper them more. Hold them tight. Hold your colours. And I'm going to count to 3 again. And I want you to throw those colours, okay? I'll catch them all. Let me get something to catch them with first. Somebody hit me in the face yesterday. That really sting the pinks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and throw! And ow! Oh, my eye! That hurt. Let's have some more. Let's have some more. Let's get lots of colours. Ow! Let's have lots of colours. Lots of colours. I need loads. I need... Oh, guys! Give yourselves a big, big, big super clap. Oh, through the green. That was a good shot. Right, listen. Got the colours. Hang on a second. got the colours. I'm going to put them in a mixing bag, and I've got to make them disappear. That's the magic bit. And they've got to disappear, and they've got to go into the picture by magic. But I can't do it on my own. I'm going to need somebody to stand right here and help me. I'm going to need somebody. In fact, no, you're not going to be a helper. You're going to be a magician. You're going to be a magician. You really are. What's your name? What's it? Rory, would you like to help me? Let's give Rory a big super clap. It's Rory! Oh, it's Rory. Come on, let me hand him the steps. Which is... Ow! Rory, there you go. Thanks, Rory. Hey, how old are you, Rory? 44? Goodness me, you're one of the dads, are you? Hey, listen, do you go to school, Rory? Do you like going to school? Isn't it great fun? Hey, Rory, I'm going to turn you into a magician now. Is that okay? It's quite a tough job. What does Rory need to do magic? What does he need to hold in his hand? A magic wand. And Rory, I've got a magic wand I'm going to let you borrow. It was once owned by my late granddad, okay? He's still alive, he's just always late. Don't break it. It's very expensive. Rory?
Yeah?
Is that you?
Yes, it was.
Okay, put it tight. Now, Rory has got a magic wand. It's very expensive. He's gonna... Rory's gonna, like... Ah! Rory! How do you do that? What? Are you a magician or something? Hang on, Rory. You can borrow this one. I got that from Spot Market. There you go. Hang on to it. Turn the vests down! Now, Rory's going to do a trick. Rory! How on earth did you do that? You're very good at this, Rory. Don't be too good. Right, Rory, you can borrow this one. Now be very careful, okay? It's okay, Rory. Just wave it down a little bit. Rory, you ready for a second one? It's all for entertainment! It's okay, well padded. Thanks, Rory. Hey, I tell you what, you were very good at whacking things. Rory, what you've got to do is whack this. Now, I'm gonna give you a little practice first, okay? Let's have a practice after 3. 1, 2, 3, whack it. Ow! Not me! Get back! Ah! Ow! I'm not feeling sorry for me. You like seeing me in pain? I worked that bit out. Ah! It's a slight fracture, but it will heal in 10 months' time. Hey, Rory.
Yes?
I'm going to put the colours in here.
Where?
In here.
In there?
Yes.
Thank you.
Not yet. They've got to shout giggly. Guys, we've just turned up, we've got new magic words. They're called giggly googly, okay? So I count to 3 and you shout those, and it's like lots of you now. So, ah! That's a rib gone nowhere! Right side. Let's rush this up. After 3, give me a giggly googly. 1, 2, 3! Hit the back. Let's see if the colours. Let's see if the colours go. I'm so excited. Let's give a big super clap, guys. The colours are gone. Rory, have they gone into the card? Let's have a look. Yes, they have. Oh! It works for Michael McIntyre. Hello, Wembley! How are you? It's high fives down there. Wow, you two's looking bright this afternoon. Hello. It's a terrible impression. Right, hey, Rory.
Yeah?
Did they see the card? Let me just show you. Guys, did you see the picture? You didn't, I'm sorry. There you go. Hey, hey, hey! You can't see, can you? I'll turn it around, sorry. There you go. What? The other way. Okay. Like that. Should we show them a proper? Let's give them a big, big super clap, guys, and give yourselves a big, big super clap. Rory's done it! Hey, I'll tell you what, Rory. I'm going to take the wand before I lose the left leg. This, by magic, was coloured in with their hair. Would you like to keep that? They're £5 today. Back one. I'm just kidding. You can keep that forever and ever and ever. Let's give a big, big super clap. I'm going to help you off the stage. Wah! Guys! For educational purposes, I have. Guys, are you ready to meet my first guest? His name is Banjo. He's a very cheeky puppy dog. I'm telling you now, he's very, very cheeky. And he likes a little drink as well. He's going to perform an amazing drinking truck. I was only a puppet. He looks like that. Well, he doesn't now because I put him on the wrong wash. He's a little smaller. But guys, still the same smelly puppy dog. So the only thing is, he's sleeping. So after 3, we're going to start calling his name. We're going to go, Banjo, Banjo. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Banjo, Banjo. Come on, Banjo. Wake up. Oi. You're smelling much. Come on. It's embarrassing, this is Banjo. You're not calling him now. You're not waking up. So embarrassing. Sorry about this. He is in there, I promise you. Banjo, this is so embarrassing, right? They've all come to see you today. And what? Did you see him? Did you see him through the holes? If you see him again, shut magic stew, okay? Or just shut magic stew. Only when you see him. No, please. Stop fiddling. Stop teasing me. Another 3 hours of this. Really? Honestly? Promise me. Hey, guys, I've got a good idea. Boys and girls, grown-ups, I'm going to look the other way. Oh! Alright, get back up here, you. Stop licking me, behave yourself. Say hi to the boys and girls. Say hi, Banjo. Hey, listen, he's going to do a little trick, right? Where? I just told you now. Wait. Alright! Stop biting your biscuit. You're not hungry, you've had dog biscuits. He's going to do a trick where... Get off the basket now! You've broken that now, you'll be satisfied. Listen, what? You want to fix it? You're not fixing it now. You've got something you can tap it with. Sorry about this, guys. He will get round to doing his trick. What have you got to tap it with, Banjo? You've got a tap. It's pathetic. Stop showing off, will you? Stop showing off. Where'd you get that tap from? You got it from the girls' toilet. What are you doing in the girls' toilet? So embarrassing. He's going to do this trick where he attempts to... What do you want now? Come on, fix it then. Ah! Oi! Funny. It was not an accident. Listen, if you're going to swing that thing around, I'll count to 3. Then I'll nod my head, and then you tap it, okay? 1, 2, 3, nod. Ow! Oi! I did not say tap my head. I didn't say tap my head, did I? I said I'll count to 3, then I'll nod my head. Then you tap it. 1, 2, 3, nod. Ow! Behave yourself. You ready to do your trick now? Going to do this drinking trick. He's going to attempt to take a drink in the face. Are you ready for it? He's going to drink out of a straw. Here we go. It's all going to happen. Are you ready for this, Banjo? Here we go. Go! Oh, that's disgusting! Let's give him a big super clap, guys. He's done it! What? You're going to do another trick? You don't do another trick? Right, okay. It's a surprise trick. He's got a surprise trick for us. I've not seen this one. Oh, hang on. What's this one? A hanky trick. Come on then. Oh, that's horrible! That's disgusting. That's not a trick. It's the disappearing bogies trick. That's disgusting. Listen, we're gonna say goodbye to him now. So we're gonna put one hand in the air and say, but what are you doing now? You want to take a selfie? Does anybody know what a selfie is? What? It's a ha 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 ha. Does anybody know what a selfie is? Do you know what a selfie is? Oh, that's naughty! I'm so sorry. I didn't see him do that. Don't worry, it's only bleach. It comes out. Hey, listen, let's put one hand in the air and say, bye-bye, Badger! Come on, you. You wait. Don't worry, as long as the police don't turn up. That's the end of the show. Bye. Guys, now listen. I've got some exciting news. I've got something to ask you. Are you ready for more magic? Say yes, magic! You! Who's got a pussycat in the house? Who's got their own pussycat in the house? Have you got one? What's your pussycat's name? What's it? Charlie, that's a cool name. No, this is Magic Stew's pussycat. He's not real, and he doesn't do a lot. In fact, he doesn't answer me back. Doesn't argue with me. Doesn't ask me for money. I should trade him in for the kids, really, shouldn't I? But he's very soft, and I'm going to call him Charlie. I'll just come at the front here, and you can give him a bit of a smell. He's very soft, isn't he? Is that a big enough bowl? In case you get lost. It's not the Darling Bud's nursery. Oh, guys, look. Smooth his tail as well. He's very soft, isn't he? Oh, give him a slap, no? Smooth his tail as well. Look at that. Hey, listen, guys, I'm just going to pop him back on here, because he's going to have a little bit of a sit-down. Oh dear. I normally have some fun with that, but he's like... No, don't worry, it falls off anyway. It falls off anyway. I'm gonna stick it back on. Hang on a second. Guys, there's only one thing to do. I'm gonna need your help. Would you help me with the magic to stick this back on? Say yes, magic stew! It's a tough one. So remember the magic words are giggly googly, okay? So like after 3, we're gonna shout giggly googly. Hang on, let me put this back into the back in the gear. Got a new magic word as well. Hang on. Got new magic one. Got new magic one. Got my new magic one. Got that one. That's like really tough. So after 3, giggly googly. Are you ready? Really loud now, okay? What? Yeah. What's my new magic one? Right, after 3, we're going to show a real loud. What? Oh, right, got to screw that in. Thanks, guys. I forgot about that bit. Just got to screw that in. Right, oh, God, I've got to screw that bit in. Give us a giggly googly after 3. 1, 2, 3! Let's see if Charlie's got his tail back on. Let's see if he's gone first. Guys, give yourselves a big, big, big super clap. It's gone. But has it gone back onto Charlie? Have a look. I think it has. He's not smiling yet, but he doesn't really smile like me. Who said giggly googly green? No colours. Just giggly googly. Are you ready? After 3. Giggly googly. 1, 2, 3! Who shouted colours then? Don't shout colours, because there's somebody shouted like colours. You went for the screen. Don't worry, hang on. One more time. Giggly googly. 1, 2, 3! Give yourselves a big super clap. He's got his tail! Oh, you're so good. Hey, I'll tell you what, you're so good, right? I've got a new trick. Do you want to see my new trick? It's like so new that sometimes it goes a bit wrong, okay? So I hope you don't see what I do. But you can tell me if you see, okay? I'm going to make this handkerchief disappear from my hand. It's going to like disappear. Go nowhere. You ready? 1, 2, 3! Ha! What? hands up, saw what I did. You were too good. And I'm going to try it again. And then that way then, you can't see where it goes, okay? Make it disappear from my hand. 1, 2, 3! Oh! Not there! Not there! Not there! Oh, on fire! Oh. What? You're at the wrong angle, you are. Hang on. Hands up who saw what I did again. Okay. You've got to promise me now, you help me do this, okay? So after 3, we're going to make it disappear. For real. Are you ready? Going to give me a giggly googly. 1, 2, 3! Give yourselves a big, big, big super clap. Oh, it's good. In fact, a bit too good. Because I'm not really a magician. But it doesn't disappear forever. No! It goes into the bag of secrets, guys. The yellow handkerchief will now jump out of the bag of secrets. 1, 2, 3. Oi!
Here?
Give us the hanky!
No.
Right. Give me the handkerchief trick.
No.
Get it myself then.
Get off me.
Ah! No, Dominic Flowers! Dominic Flowers! The yellow handkerchief! Ah! The yellow handkerchief! Give me a giggly googly after 3. 1, 2, 3! Give yourselves a big, big, big super clap, guys. You were really good. Hey, I tell you what, so good. I'm going to be picking somebody to help me now. Come on the stage. Stand right here and like help me and stuff and you all want to help me. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to introduce you to my very good friend, okay? I'm going to introduce you to my very good friend. His name is Roger. Say hi, Roger. He's not just a rabbit. He's a magic rabbit.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Shut up. This is his house.
It's not.
It is.
I live in a field.
Shut up. It's not just a house, it's a magic house. You see, Roger goes into this room and disappears. Right in front of you, what? Do you want to see it? Watch this. Yes, I've got him here.
Let me go.
Shut up.
Somebody come on, please.
Be quiet. Roger will now go into the room.
Don't put me in there.
I tap the door 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Any different, please? What? This door. You think he's in here? Should you have a look? What? You said this one? We've done this one? This is gone! Oh my God, right, okay, I'll take, you all right? You come and clean the windows? Shall I take this one away? You want me to offer this one as well now? Talking to you? Okay, hang on then. Has he gone? Let's give him a big, big super clap. Guys, he's gone. No longer there. No longer there. He can't be there because he can't get through there. He's not there. He can't be in that window. He's not there, guys. Come on. Okay, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll take this ball away then, shall I? Hands up who wants me to take it away. Hands up who doesn't want it taken away. Oh, a couple of you. That's right. You ready? Has he gone? Let's give a big, big super clap, guys! It's Roger! Well done, mate. Bye, Roger! He's gone near the fountain and he's disappeared. Like a torch. What? Oh! Let's give a big super clap, it's Roger! Well done, mate. You can sit and watch the show, Roger, because now it's time. Now it's time for me to pick somebody to help me. And I normally pick people like who are really being good in the show, and you've all been fantastic. I normally pick the only one remaining person who stays. And you've all stayed! There's everything else to do. So, I tell you what I do. I don't know who I'm going to pick, so I'm going to get my picking stick to help me. My picking stick, it moves on its own. Okay, it can't see you. It just moves. Back and forth. And when it stops, I hope you can help me, okay? Now, sometimes it stops by somebody, and they don't want to help. So if you don't want to help, are you on a trampoline up there, are you? Yes, okay. Hello? No, I can't afford child maintenance this week. It'll move around, so please, don't sit there and go, no! I didn't want to come here in the first place, I'm stuck in the bed and they want to come here! Just say, no thank you. That's all you have to do, okay? No thank you. It'll just move on its own. Hey, do you like this? That was my daddy's magic wand. He was a good magician, my dad. He did a disappearing act when I was 7. Another grown-ups. Picking stick, who are you going to pick? Who are you going to pick for my next trick? Who will you pick, picking stick? And move on your own. Go! Go! It does move on its own, I promise you. It does move on its own. When I'm looking. Picking stick. When I'm looking! Pick stick. Get back in there. You can't move now, okay? So I'm moving myself. Do it that way so you can't move, okay? Now, stop showing off! Do it myself this way. Pick and stick, who will you pick? Who will you pick for my next trick? I want you to pick Lawrence. Who will you pick and stick? I move on your own. It has stopped. It has stopped. It has stopped. Hang on. It just keeps going. Hang on. I think it's coming over here somewhere. Don't worry, it doesn't pick Lawrence. I'm just coming over here somewhere. It's coming over here. It keeps coming here! What's your name? Lilia! Would you like to help me? Let's give Lilia a big super clap. Watch your backs, guys. Come and join me, Lilia. Come and watch the steps. Lilia! It's Lilia! Oh, it's Lilia! It's Lilia! Lilia! Ah! Lilia! I just had to do that. Come and stand on the tramp a little bit by here, okay? Fantastic, just in case. How old are you, Lilia? 5, not 5.5? Really? So you're nearly 6 then? Or you're nearly 5? Could be complicated. When are you 6? Really? Let me check my diary. Got availability, don't you? Everybody should have Magic Stew at their birthday, shouldn't they? Method in my madness. Hey, Lilia, do you go to school? Really? What school do you go to, Lilia? Not Rhif Penai. Not Rhif Penai Primary. Yeah, I knew that. And what's your teacher's name? Mrs. Walsh. You're going to believe this, guys. On Monday, right? Lilia, I start school in Rhif Penai, and Mrs. Walsh is my teacher! Can we be friends? Can we just like swap work and stuff and you help me because I'm not very good at doing work? And can we do colouring and stuff? And can we do bouncy balls and stuff? And I can even catch and stuff. And can I maybe sandwiches? Thanks, Lilia. Hey, we're going to turn Lilia into a magician. What does Lilia going to need to hold to do magic? Magic wand. Lilia, I've pretty much run out of magic wands that work. So what I've done, I borrowed something from the kitchen just around the back there. They don't know, okay? They stir the coffee with it as well. It's quite good. But just don't tell him, Lilia. And I know it looks like a spoon. But just pretend it's a magic one. Well, he makes cakes. Stirs your cappuccinos. Hang on. No, just don't tell him. She's there. She's there. She's there. Quick. Ah! Lilia, don't worry. Don't worry, Lilia. I've got a spare one. Now that's the one I was going to use. There's loads of magic in there. Lilia, please don't do magic with it, okay? You know, like when you want to watch telly and stuff in the night, and Mummy and Daddy says, "Time for bed!" If you go giggly googly, they fall asleep. They will stay up all night. Lilia, don't do magic. Now, Lilia, don't do magic. Stop it. Now, Lilia, please, stop it. Control yourself. Lilia, this is my show. Don't do anymore. I can't. That's the last one anyway, you're okay. Now, Lilia's going Lilia! Hey, you've done quite well then. Normally they're all on the floor. Let me just borrow these. Hey, I tell you what, Lilia.
Yeah?
Is that you? Yes, it was. You can pick any one of these to do the trick.
I think I'll have that one, Magic Stew, thank you.
That's okay, Lilia. You're very polite.
You're very funny, Magic Stew.
Thanks, Lilia. Try not to be. Serious entertainer, mate. You're not telling everything, mate. I've been on Crime Watch. No, I have. Recognise me now? Lilia, first of all, we're going to do some balloon modelling. Here we go.
La la la. La la la.
I was modelling a balloon. Lilia?
Yes?
You've got to guess the shape, okay?
I can do that.
Well done. Here we go. It's a tough one.
Oh, I think that's a snake, Magic Stew.
You're right!
Oh, I think that's a worm.
Yes!
Oh, you're catching me out. There's another snake.
Yes! This is a tough one.
That's easy. That's a caterpillar.
You are good at this.
Did you request?
Yes!
Will you make me a bow and arrow?
Bow and arrow!
That was rubbish.
Thanks, Lilia. Hey guys, listen, you have a new magic word just to end the trick, okay? It's called pop! I count to three, you shout pop! Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Fantastic. Where I come from, it means lemonade in Welsh. Doesn't really. Mommy wants a pop! Yeah! Did that. Lilia?
Yeah?
I'm going to count to 3.
Count 5.
No, 3. Then they shout pop.
Shout what?
Shout pop. You go like that with a wand, okay? Just like that.
Like this?
Like that.
Like this?
Yes. I'll stand close so you know, it's going to be there, so don't worry. It's going to be a bit of a loud noise. So just put your things in your ears anyway. And then it should pop if you hit it, okay? Because the magic will just jump out. Are you ready?
I'm always ready, Magic Stew.
Well done.
Magic Stew.
Yes, Lilia.
I like your jacket.
Thanks, Lilia.
How's your fat belly?
Oi! Hang on, they're going to show pop. You ready? 1, 2, 3! Give it a big super clap, Lilia. That was cool. Now. Oh, no! Another one gone! We'll try it again, but I'm going to stand further away. Now, Lilia, just in case the balloons jump on your head, I'm going to make you a hat. In fact, I'm not just going to make you a hat, Lilia. I'm going to sing a song while I do it. It's going to be the song that's called Making a Hat for Lilia. Do you know the words? You do? More than I do. So watch this. Hang on a second. Hat for Lilia. Hat for Lilia. No. Making a hat for Lilia. We're making a hat for Lilia. We're making a hat for Lilia. only made a hat for Lilia. Oh, hang on. We've made a hat for Lilia. We made a hat for Lilia. Who needs dynamite? Hey, Lilia, let's see if it fits. Hang on a second. Look at that! Lillian, it fits as well. Right, let's try this. Let's do it one more time. We're going to get the balloon. Canolfan! Force is strong!
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
Nobody does a man, Canolfan! They are the order! Nobody does a man! Right, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Here we go. Yeah! Let's go! After 3, pop! We're ready, I'm going to stand over here. 1, 2, 3! Ow! My eye! Let me get my safety glasses on. Here we go again. Where are you? Oh, there you go. What's in my back? 1, 2, 3! Ow! My bottom. I can see better now. 1, 2, 3! Oh. Let's give her a big super clap, Miss Lydia! Oh, Lydia. Let me take the magic ball. Hey, I tell you what, Lydia,
Yes?
I've got a prize for you.
Is there an iPad?
No.
Xbox?
No! But you can have a real, amazing, expensive golden plastic medal as well. Let's give it a big, big super clap. It's Lydia! Just put yourself that in, ready? 1, 2, fantastic. Oh, guys, I just realised something. So I don't normally go that far. But it's the end of the show! I'm glad you want to go, thank God for that. Let's go. Hey guys, but listen, give yourselves a big, big, big super clap and help Magic Stew. They've been the best audience ever. Man, it's been lovely to see you. Thanks for coming. I'm going to go to the ring now, haven't you? Fantastic. Thanks, guys. Have a lovely day, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you soon.